Good morning. It's Thursday, the 5th of January. How are you all? How's it going? I don't ache anymore. Yesterday, oh my god, I hurt so much. Everything hurt so bad. But I had a really hot bath, so I looked like a lobster. And it made me feel much better. It is 7:48. And we're all ready for school. Fox did amazing. He did his whole day yesterday and he was really, really good. Aria and Mika are in today. Obviously they're in every day. Fox is doing, I got it wrong yesterday. I thought it was all day Monday, half day Tuesday, all day Wednesday, but it's not. It's all day Monday, all day Tuesday, half day Wednesday. But they took him all day yesterday, so that was nice. So he's not in again now till Monday. My mum is coming round today. She's bought me a new dresser, a vintage dresser, which I'm very excited about. She sent me a picture of it the other day and it's beautiful. And she said it's like a little mini, I can have it in my bedroom, and then I'm gonna take the drawers out of my room and put them in Mika's room, so then she's got drawers as well. I need to buy a drill. So let me know. I know, like, you can have like DeWalt or a good brand. But if anyone has a specific one that they can recommend that isn't too expensive, or expensive at all, let me know please, because I need one really, just for like doing bits and bobs around the house and getting stuff done. Because my next door neighbour, he was around yesterday, but obviously he's not around every single day because he works. He's not gone back till from after Christmas yet, and he's so bored. So obviously he helped me yesterday. I showed you the PVC, the plastic in the window. I literally had a bang at like just gone midnight last night, and one of them had run through and hit this and smashed this bit off, and the whole thing was out. This was all on. That was, I don't know how nothing else smashed. Like, this big pot was in the sink. The coffee maker was face down. Gary, get down, because that's holding the window open. Gary! Oh, I need something to poke him. I need something to poke him. Get down. Get down. Get down, naughty cat. I have got a window opener coming that will hold the window open properly, because at the minute, like, it doesn't shut easily, but the wind is so strong. I'm really, really anxious about the window just like slamming shut on them. So we put wedged wood bits into it. But yeah, the whole thing was out, so I was literally down here at like 12, 1:15 in the morning, sat on the worktop with the taping it back in, and then trying to tape all this back together. Gary. I think it was Bandit though, because he was like, his heckles were all up when I came down like at 12. He was just like, so I think it was probably him, or the noise scared him because he's such a wimp anyway. Yeah, Mum's coming around today. My friend Preddy is coming around today. I'm gonna do a little speed clean in here when I get back from the school run. So yeah, I will see you later on. Done. I moved the thingies around. I don't know why there was always been two on here, but it doesn't need to be, because that one's big enough to cover it, and then that one's on there nicely. I don't really want one on here. I hated having the thing on here because I don't know, it just really irked me. Yeah, so it all hi, all nice and tidy, all squared away. I'm gonna light this candle. Mum got me this from the range the other day, and it is so lovely. It smells so good. And then I've got some salt, and I put my incense in it, and when it falls, you can then mix the ash into the salt to make black salt for protection. So just a little tippy tip. these are the colours that we've chosen for rooms. I think Mika wants one of these purples. Aria wants the second one, this one here. It's really pretty, and it's called Party Surprise. And then for my room, I like these two. I like all three of those ones, to be fair. Yes, you're making fart noises, are you? Yeah. Can I do what?
Do my pennies.
Yeah, I'll come and help you with your pennies.
No.
What's Granny Nana done? She bought us a disco bulb light. And she loves it.
It's lovely.
And Fox doesn't like it. You want us to take it out?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll take it out for now and then put it back in later. Show Mika Aya. Yeah?
We'll just turn it off for now.
Okay.
Look, Ram.
Yeah, they're cool, aren't they?
I look these.
Oh, look at him.
Do you see Diva?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a tank.
Yeah.
That tank. Look at these cool ones. That one. That one. That one. That one.
You can hear Foxy. Look, I like these ones. Oh, this one's like a spider. This one's a spider.
Yeah.
That is literally a spider.
This one looks like a zebra fox.
Foxy, go look.
Look, a zebra.
Mum, look at this spider one. Look.
Mama, aren't you sick?
Lift him up so we can see it. Look at this, Foxy. This one looks like a spider. Look, Foxy, here. You like him?
No.
No.
He's too big.
Yeah, you got to be nice and quiet. Oh, he's cool.
Yeah. These are black and white.
Yeah, they're
Perfect.
smart, aren't they?
I
Super
didn't
goth
know I've
ones.
never- Oh yeah, I've never seen a black and white one.
Goth Nemo. Oh, he's
Nemo,
pretty.
yeah. Emo Nemo.
Emo Nemo. Oh my god, but those ones are different ones as well. They're different ones.
Look at this one.
They're frostbite clownfish. Look.
Look at that one there, that green one.
Yeah.
These are
There's
all
no
sorts
one
of
in there.
No, no one's in there. We've got the Goth Nemo. Goth Nemo's there. Emo Nemo. Yeah, you've got to be quiet, Bubby. Yeah, there's lots of big ones over here.
haven't actually got much going for them, they're so ugly.
Oh wow, Foxy, these are like little piranhas. They're cool. No, I had fish. I had fishes.
Maybe it's the sort of thing I expect.
Yeah. We got homemade burgers. I wrapped Aria's up in a little paper so it was like a McDonald's one but with love hearts. Is it a good burger? Your burger okay? What good job, well done. I feel like you haven't been on the vlog much, Gary. Oh, Gary. He's got some mats under here and I need to brush him, which he hates. But he does let me do it. Oh, let's see. Oh, Ari, that dress is lovely. Charity shop find from Granny Nana.
Small baby biscuit.
Yeah, he gets mats under his armpits and he's got a big one.
Mama, it's
I know.
just small.
It's meant to be short arms. He's got a big one just here, but he doesn't want me to brush. Oh, there he fell.
He fell.
But I'm going to get him. I'm going to get him whether he wants me to or not. What are you having? Fond and fancy. Yum. Hey, it's, what time is it? 8:30 and I'm downstairs. I'm trying to brush Gary's belly and he's just not having any of it. He keeps, I like pin him down and then he just runs away. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Got mats in his armpits. Oh, I'm just watching Orange is the New Black. I'm gonna go up at like 9, I think. I'm shattered. Don't think I've got any plans tomorrow. possibly having my friend Amanda around. I'm not sure. And I want to do some recipe testing. So yeah, I'll show you what we do tomorrow. I forgot to show you earlier on. It's now 5:30. Someone's getting tired, so he's in his bed. He just had a cough while he was eating his dinner, and like his juice went down the wrong hole and it scared him, so he wanted to come to bed. Mum bought me this. She got it from the charity shop, and I love it so much. I think it's amazing. So 50s. It's got these like amazing slider thingies. I've got my pants in there, and there's another slider down here, and then a little cupboard, and then I've got drawers with art stuff, and then I've got makeup. So I'm just trying currently to peel off this bloody sticker that they put on the top of it. Getting a rage. So I'm gonna try and put some tape on it and see if that will peel it off. If not, I'm gonna get some hot water and soap and have a go with that. So the sellotape works a little bit, but not amazing. It gets off. Nope, that didn't even get anything off. The first little bit of tape on, I got the first bit of pink off, but that doesn't look like I wanted to get anything off now. This door keeps opening. It gets haunted. This carpet, like, it's so gross. This carpet I think must have been in for about 10 years, and it's just so gross. No matter how much I hoover it, it's just fucking horrible. I want to take it up, but I'm a little bit scared because I don't know what the floorboards are like. No, fuck's sake, I'm gonna get some hot water. I just did it off camera and it worked again. What the fuck? It literally won't work whilst I'm filming. I don't understand this. Door's opened again. There we go, it's got a bit of it off, and then I can just use hot water to get this bit off.